Launch the attack. Once I do, I'll own the Android phone of every FBI agent in that building. I'll own Evil Corp's network, applications, everything. Domain admin. This, the thrill of pwning a system. This is the greatest rush. God access. The feeling never gets old.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you why I absolutely love hacking, and maybe it's for some of the reasons that you do as well. And if you don't, then maybe this video could be an inspiration to it, if it resonates with you. First of all, hacking is just so much fun. The fact that you get to have a good paying job to hack things for a living is just insane. It's a really cool world we live in, the fact that that's a possibility to begin with. It certainly was never always a possibility, but it is now. And that is just incredibly, incredibly cool. Whether it's through bug bounty or whether it's because you're a professional ethical hacker, or maybe you're a web app penetration tester, or maybe you're doing red teaming, or whether you're only doing external or internals, or maybe you're even doing physical pen testing. Why is it interesting? It really depends on what type of person you are. To some people, they really resonate with the aesthetics, right? The hacking aesthetics, these cyberpunk. Some people really appeals to them, being able to be very impactful while being essentially anonymous, right? You can route your traffic through proxies, you can route your traffic through VPSs, through Tor, and you can have a huge impact on the world while you're still essentially an anonymous figure. And that's a very unique thing. The fact that you can have an insanely huge impact on the world, yet no one knows who you are. The fact that that's a possibility alone makes hacking incredibly interesting, in my opinion. Now, one part that I absolutely love myself when it comes to hacking is really just that it's so much fun and it's very stimulating mentally to me. It's an excellent combination between raw technical understanding the services, the systems, the protocols, the technology at hand, while also needing a lot of creativity blended into it. So for me, it's a perfect blend of technical understanding, but also creativity. Just one or the other for me wouldn't make it as exciting, but it's really a beautiful blend between the two. Whether it's social engineering, whether it's physical pen test, whether it's taking experts you've learned previously and overlapping into different systems, or you come across a custom application that there is no CVE for, but you've essentially learned all the tags you need to check for, trying to get around sanitization, trying to get around filters. It's all just really interesting. There are also some reasons, and there's plenty more. For instance, there is just endless things to explore. If you were to look at the history of hacking, or if you were to look at the history of different exploits and how they've developed and how the defenses has developed over time, you would be amazed at how complicated it can get and just how incredibly interesting it is. It's a constant back and forth, a constant cat and mouse that is always ongoing. And that's just a simple thing like, let's say, AV or EDR, right? Antivirus or EDR. It's with everything. It's with patches, replications, it's with replication firewalls. In one small field alone, or one specific focus alone, something like web application penetration testing, it goes really deep. But that's just one small area. You can specialize in IoT, you can specialize in hardware hacking, you can specialize in physical penetration testing, you can become a red teamer, you could be doing only external pen tests for initial access. There's really so many opportunities out there. Some people find it negative that they will never be able to be an expert in all of it, but think about it. That's a good thing. It means there's always more to explore. It means that you can always find your niche and get really, really, really good. Or you don't have to find your niche at all. You can simply learn as much as you want about all of them, right? Or a little bit of all of it. It really depends what you want to do. Now, obviously, for a career, there are specific things you probably should be more focused on. As a beginner or junior penetration tester, it would be better to get good with web application testing because you're unlikely to get on site and do internal AD testing at start. But it could happen, but just generally speaking, so it's more useful to be well equipped for that so you can actually get to do a solid job, pass the interviews, and you can start this amazing journey of getting good money for doing something as insane as being legally allowed to hack companies ethically and professionally and earn good money and actually doing something good for the world as well, while it's being incredibly fun. So I really hope this video is interesting or inspiring, or maybe if you're a person that doesn't resonate with any of this at all, that maybe that this field is not for you, but I'm sure a lot of you listening will find this interesting and perhaps motivating or reminding you why you started to like hacking to begin with. If you want to actually learn the stuff that matters, and if you want to actually get well equipped to get certified and get a job, then you should definitely check out the Hack Academy. The link is down below. And I teach you what I know, and we have amazing resources for anything in terms of passing the OSCP or getting the skills you need to be able to actually get a job, and how to make sure that your public profiles and you've optimized to thieve in your public profiles to be able to be actually hireable, so you don't have to waste time and you can just learn what actually works. And yeah, I can't wait to see you on the inside. You will also get access to me, so if you have questions for me, I would love to help you out, to answer your questions, and really just have fun together, right? Because that's really what this is all about. We get to do something amazing that actually helps companies, and we get to have a lot of fun doing it, and we also get to earn good money doing it. So I really hope this helps you, and I really can't wait to see you inside, and I hope this video inspired you, and have an awesome day. Thank you so much.